Massage chairs and chair pads have evolved from niche wellness gadgets to versatile at-home recovery solutions that can support back health, stress relief, and post-exercise recovery. With a spectrum from compact chair pads to full-featured foldable massage chairs, buyers face trade-offs among cost, coverage, and convenience.
List number 1. Comfier Massager Chair with Heat. This Comfier chair pad is designed to convert any chair into a massage seat with a focus on shiatsu kneading and rolling along the full back, plus adjustable waist-hip compression. It uses 4 shiatsu nodes for neck and back, offers optional heat, rolling, and spot massage, and includes independent dual-zone air compression for lumbar and seat areas. The unit is built with a 100% leather surface claim and weighs 16 pounds, enabling portability between a sofa, recliner, or office chair. The 2-zone compression is controlled via dedicated pressure buttons and a single firmness control for both zones. In use, the Comfier pad excels at delivering deep tissue kneading along the spine with adjustable shiatsu node position for neck coverage and back muscle targeting. The heat feature can loosen fascia before kneading, while the rolling function provides a glide along the spine that reduces stiffness. The dual-zone air compression customization allows a personalized compression profile around the waist and hips, which can be beneficial for sedentary users. However, as a pad, the effectiveness depends on chair fit and user body shape. Shorter users might find neck coverage less aggressive if the nodes are positioned toward the upper back. Durability hinges on fabric and stitching, and the surface is leather, which may require maintenance in high-use environments.
List number 2. Vibration Back Massager. HeyCool's vibration-based chair pad concentrates 10 vibration motors, 8 back and 2 thighs, with dual heating levels and 5 programmed modes, plus 4 intensity settings for a customizable back and thigh massage. It includes a hand controller and adjustable straps to secure the pad to various chair types. The design targets broad coverage with independent heat control and includes auto-off timers, 15 minutes for vibration and 30 minutes for heat, and overheating protection for safety. Performance-wise, this pad delivers a broad, soothing vibration massage across large surface areas, rather than a deep tissue kneading. It's well suited for quick relief during work, travel, or lounging, especially for users who want heat and vibration without aggressive kneading. The presence of seat area vibration and thigh motors adds a leg comfort dimension not found in all chair pads. However, vibration-based relief may not substitute for deep tissue work for chronic muscle knots. The auto-off timers are convenient but require manual reactivation for longer sessions. And the unit is relatively lightweight at 2.2 pounds, which helps portability but may limit durability under constant use.
List number 3. Foldable Electric Massage Chair with Heat, FR-M25D, Full Body Massage Portable. Ezincon's FR-M25D represents a foldable, full-body massage chair with a suite of modalities including shiatsu kneading, spot massage, vibration, and heat, plus a leg rest and adjustable neck position to accommodate users from 59 to 79 inches tall. The PU leather finish adds a premium feel while aiding durability and cleaning. The chair's backrest, height adjustability, and neck massager with 4 shiatsu nodes enable a personalized range of motion for different body types and massage goals, making it a compelling mid to premium option for users seeking a true chair-based experience with leg support. In practice, the FR-M25D's strength lies in its integrated leg rest and broad modality mix, enabling a more immersive full-body massage. The neck massager's 4-node shiatsu system can adjust across a 4-inch range, which helps tailor coverage for different torso lengths. Given its foldable design, storage and portability improve relative to non-folding chairs, though the unit weighs about 21 kilograms, so setup and relocation aren't spontaneous. The backrest height and neck to spine alignment are critical for comfort. Consumers should measure their posture to ensure proper fit. Overall, this is best for users who want a dedicated full chair massage with height flexibility and a visible emphasis on back and neck relief.
List number 4. Shiatsu massage cushion with heat. This unknown brand shiatsu cushion emphasizes full back meeting with integrated heat and a vibration layer for added comfort. It's designed as a compact cushion to convert office chairs into massage chairs, featuring a simple control scheme and a 15-minute auto-off for kneading. The heat has its own cycle and safety protections. The cushion uses a polyester shell and a flexible strap system to secure to various chair surfaces, making it a value-focused option for those seeking a quick, space-efficient relief solution. The cushion-centric design yields targeted back relief with 4-way kneading motion and a heat function to loosen fascia before kneading. It is best suited for desk workers who want occasional relief without the bulk of a larger pad or chair. While compact, the trade-offs include a limited massage reach, potential uneven pressure distribution, and reliance on your chair's seating surface for comfort. This option excels at portability and ease of use in tight spaces, but may not deliver the depth of a full back massage.
List number 5. Mind Gray Back Massager for Chair with Heat for Deep Tissue. Mind's back massager pad emphasizes 4 deep kneading nodes that travel up and down the back, offering targeted deep tissue relief with optional heat. The rigid back construction aims to maintain consistent node contact, while the soft bottom cushion serves as a comfortable seating surface. The unit includes a remote with spot controls to focus on specific upper or lower back zones, enabling precise massage shaping for desk workers or TV watchers who sit for extended periods. In practice, the Mind Pad stands out for its focused kneading action and the ability to target specific back zones via remote controls. The heat option improves tissue pliability and can heighten relief after a long day. The upside is strong kneading with the durable back shell. The downside is that leg or hip regions receive less attention, and the 4-node configuration may still fall short for users who want broad, full back coverage. Overall, it's a solid mid-range pick for those who want deep kneading without complex setup.